Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create a logo on different niches. So in today's video, I will teach you how you can create a logo on health niche. So our dummy company name is Health Rusk, and we have to make a logo according to this title, this name, and you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platform. You can also target offline market, or you can go to facebook.com and give your services there, and there are endless opportunities. So let's go to Canva. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software available online, which is used to edit pictures, videos, and make content. This is very popular tools nowadays. It is very easy and handy to learn. It is easy to use. And if you want to know complete about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section. Here I uploaded a complete series in which if you watch the series, the playlist, then you can completely know everything about Canva. So let's get started. So I click on create a design. Here I search for logo, and there is a most popular format which is 500 by 500 pixels. So I click on this. It is loading. It's depend upon the internet speed. So it is loaded. So I'm going to elements, and here I search health, and it shows me element related to health. So there are a lot of photos elements, but we have to choose one, and this one is this one is good. Now I write a name in text, which is Health Rusk, and I have to change the font Lakes Spartan, and color should be white, and that's it. So it's look good. So our logo is ready. So that's it. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.